Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the building permit of Film Stocks Archway in Heartopia. So in this spring season, Heartopia has a dreamlike cinematic event that in here you can get many cool rewards from the battle pass like this. And to get this building permit of Film Stocks Archway, you can just level up your battle pass until it reaches level 30. And to level it up, you can just collect the festival points that you can get from the town festival catalogs. This one, you can just collect the festival points over here, and then you can also get the festival points from the town festival limited collections that you can just complete it every week. This one, and then you can also get the festival points from the resident request rewards. And after you reach level 30, this one, level 30, you will automatically get this building permit Film Stock Archway that it will add it to your build mode, and you can just use it from there. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.